All right, my favorite thing to do. Yes, I love to unbox, although my channel will tell you otherwise. But I do. I get really excited when new things come. And I have been putting off mopping because I wanted to do this with you guys. So this is the Dyson WashG1. I could never get it right. By no means this is new. As a matter of fact, this model is, I think it's being phased out. So 2026, there's another, I think there's two that they brought out, just like everything else. They bring out one thing, a year later, they found out some improvements needed to be done, so they bring out another model. However, though, at the price point, the current price point at the moment, it's a Dyson, which means technology engineering is pretty good. Aftercare sales is really good. This came out, I think, at a $900, right about that price point. Now I have seen it online for about $300. Is it still worth it? I say yes. Yes, do it. All right, so I'll be moving the camera as I go along. I do apologize in advance if I don't do this well. So I think I have. I was like, hopefully I will probably do a voiceover anyway. Okay, sorry. Right. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, do they? Okay, well packed, as you can see. That's the handle. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get you to see this, but like I don't know how to do the camera so you can see it. Do the camera. How to wait for the camera so you can see. Of course it's well packed. It's Dyson. Oh, it just means I have to get rid of all this cardboard. What else is in here? No one. I wonder if I'm to do this. Is it better? Aha. So that's the base. The manual. Ah, look, the little cutout there so you know what it is. This will be the power cord. Like I said, this is a replacement, so I pretty much know how this works. It's pretty good, huh? I mean, this is how you know it's new. Don't know, why did they do that? Okay, whatever. So with Dyson, anything that is red, it means that it can be dislodged or it can come off. It latches, buttons, anything that looks like that is red like that, okay? So see that, you push that down and it releases the two canisters. And if you switch over, you've got, that comes off, that comes off as well. Oh, right, so. What you have here, you've got the rollers. If you want to release the rollers to clean, you push that button. So this is the rollers. This part of the machine, they do the mopping. This is the debris tray, right? So this is the tray that you'll want to remove after every mop. Okay, so I'm just gonna share with you what I do. After every mop, I would remove this tray and I would rinse it. And then I also take out the rollers. I rinse the rollers and leave it next to the machine to dry. These are very good. They don't hold moisture long. They will dry very, very quickly. That's it really. There's nothing much to the machine. And of course, you've got your hardware. So yeah, that's it. Okay, until next time, take care of yourselves. Take the next 4 weeks to do the things that you've been putting off. Because this is mine. I've been putting off doing my videos. I've been putting off unboxing, and my house desperately needs a clean. So I'm going to do that now. Okay? All right. Bye for now. So this is what my floor looks like. I should have done it before, huh? But I didn't do it before. But I'm just showing you this because I always worry about streaks. I mean, not that they're not... It's not something that you could avoid sometimes, you know, but just to say how good this mop is, this is the result. I don't have heavily soiled floors, so I think that this WashG1 from Dyson is actually good for maintenance. I don't think that it could handle, or it would do a good job if it was floors that haven't been mopped for months. I would say you will give your floors a really good scrub, like with your probably mopping, your manual mopping, and then you can use this weekly to maintain the floors. Oh, what's it telling me? Oh, that's right, it wouldn't turn on in that position. See how it actually showed me what was wrong, why it wouldn't turn on? So that's another good thing as well, that the screen here will actually show you why it's not turning on. All right. Oh, nice. It's almost a little bit left. So you can see there are certain stains or debris that the mop will not clean, but it's really good when you have this kind of flooring that you need to mop to just save you from having to manually do it, especially if you have, like, I guess, shoulder injuries or something like that. Yeah, this is really good for that. Another one. Okay, so it is on the edge though. I'm not too sure if it will clean. Oh, let's go.